How to go live on circle.so community. Once you're on your community, I want you to pay attention to the bottom left hand corner and you're going to see the option go live. You're going to tap right there. Once you have done that, you have three different options. You can either schedule a live event, or you can start a live room right now, or you can start a live stream. So you have three different options depending on the size of audience that you want and also what you would like to do. So let's say, for example, we were to select start a live stream for this example. Once you have done that, you're just going to tap on next. Then from there, you can type in the details, whether it will be a weekly Q&A or not. So I'm just going to type in test for example sake. Then after doing that, you can scroll down, and from here, if you would like to record the stream, you can do that. If you like to mute participants, you can do that. If you like to hide participants list, you can also do that. And if you like it to be visible in your community, you can choose that. Or if you like it to be private, you can also choose that. Then you'll tap on next. Once you're finished, if you like to add any co-hosts or attendees, you can add them by tapping on add. You can add co-hosts by tapping on co-host, then you'll tap on add, and you can type out their name, then you'll tap on save to add co-host. Once you're finished, you'll tap on test your video, and you can see right here, my live stream has now begun, and you can see a preview as you can see right there, and all you'll need to do now is allow it, so we'll tap on allow this time, and you can see it right there. There are also some settings that you can edit. For example, you can edit the microphone settings. You can also tap on device settings, and from there you could choose to blur the background if you want. You can change the camera if you want. You can change the microphone if you want. There are numerous options that you can enable and disable as you can see right there. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.